The Restore project is based in Bornish, South Uist. It's run by the community group Coram, with support from the European Union. It aims to put old furniture and books to use again. In the workshop, Seamus MacDonald works with old furniture that has been given to the project. He cleans and repairs it. Sometimes he does additional work to make it stronger. When he is satisfied that it is good enough and strong enough to be sold again, it is placed in the shop. Seamus is happy to explain to local customers what work he's done, in whichever language they prefer.
The springing at the bottom was gone and had been replaced by a board of wood, so what has been done here is been replaced with new springing, clipped it to the side there, and we're back with a very comfortable chair again. And again, looks out, there's a general involuted turning.
Sorry?
Ook heel dag dat ze die leed. Dan moest ik jaren gedaan. Daar hoor eens. Dus ik heb hier gedaan een gele. Dus ik doe de stui in mooi. Dus in had de mooi. Dus je stui. Zo moest ik hier gedaan de leed. Dus ik heb heel dag gedaan. Dus in Amerika.
There is also a book project in the shop. Avril Campbell is in charge.
So if you take 4 books in, you can get 4 out free of charge, or if you've got no books coming in, you can purchase the books.
This offers some employment and training opportunities too. As well as repairing furniture, the project will deliver it to the new owner's home. In offering good quality furniture at a low price, delivered to your door, the Restore project has developed a niche market in Uist. As it also reduces the amount of waste we produce, it can be seen to be providing a valuable community service too.